Welcome to the Vector Garden. I've been asked about leaders in tabs. Let's first create them. So this is a text frame, and let's just turn on the hidden characters like this. And then let's add tabs. I'm going to open the tabs panel, and then let's just click here so we get them, and let's enter a leader like this. I'm going to also enter a space so we get more distance between them. Now, the size of these leaders is dependent on the text size. So whatever has been created in the font is used. And if you want to change that in Illustrator, you need to select them and then enter a different size. So that's what's happening. You cannot do that automatically in Illustrator unless you're using scripting or something like that. In InDesign, it's a whole different story. So let's go to InDesign. And again, let's turn on the hidden characters like this. And then let's zoom in. And here I'm going to create a paragraph style. So let's go to the styles, the paragraph styles, and let's create a new one like so. And then let's go to the tabs and set up a tab. I'm going to preview that. Okay. And let's also enter a leader and a space like so. And then you see we already get some result, but it's not sufficient. So let's go again and move that farther to the right. And again, enter here and yet some more. And there we've got it. So in order to format this, we can use the drop caps and nested styles. And here, let's make a new nested style. And then go up to, and here we're going to enter the tab character. So this is the word up to the tab character, which has no other style applied. Then we make a new one, and we're going to define that first. I'm going for the character color because that's easiest to be seen, like so, and go through and use just the tab, just like so. And you see the leaders are on the tab. So first we go up to the tab, and then we apply the character style through the tab, and then again the number is without something. Let's just stay like that. And then let's go to the character styles. And in here we can then go to the basic character format and change the size. And you see we've got a different size. Of course, now we would also need to go into the paragraph style and to the basic character formats, and this shouldn't be auto. So let's set this to a fixed value, and then we're done with it.